press release from Oromo Renaissance Organization, or Oro. Contact information, Moti Marga, Chairman, 100 Hacienda Avenue, San Lorenzo, California, 94580. Email, Koreoro, KOREEORO, @yahoo.com. Phone number 408-603-7413. For immediate release, December 17, 2015. Demonstration in support of Oromo students, protest in Oromia, Ethiopia. Oakland, California. The Oromo Renaissance Organization, a self-help association of Northern California, Oromo Community, has organized a rally in Oakland, California on Thursday, December 17, 2015 in support of the Oromo people's peaceful protest in Oromia regional state of Ethiopia. The Oromo community of the Greater Bay Area is outraged by the ongoing massacre of Oromo students, teachers, farmers, and other civilians by the Ethiopian government's police and regular army for no reason other than peacefully protesting for their rights. At the time of this writing, over 100 Oromos, including an 8-year-old child, have been killed and thousands more have been wounded, tortured, or imprisoned for protesting the land grabbing of their ancestral land. As the protest intensified, the government declared a martial law in Oromia prohibiting any form of peaceful protest. Concerned that the government is going to intensify the killing of innocent Oromo children and their families using the martial law, it instituted as pretext, the Oromo community members are demonstrating in front of the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, 1301 Clay Street, Oakland, California, 94612, to demand that the Ethiopian government immediately and unconditionally, number one, stop killing, torturing, and arbitrarily detaining Oromo students and members of the public. Number two, release all political prisoners and prisoners of conscience. Number three, stop the Addis Ababa master plan that people never approved and the eviction of poor farmers from their ancestral land. And number four, form an inquiry commission to bring those responsible for the massacre of hundreds of innocent Oromo students and citizens to justice for both the 2014 and current killings. As citizens and legal residents of this great nation, the United States of America, we also demand that the U.S. government stop unconditionally providing assistance to the Ethiopian government until it respects its citizens' human and democratic rights. Yes. We also ask the U.S. government to use its leverage and pressure in Ethiopia, the Ethiopian government, one of the largest recipients of U.S. aid, to respect the citizens' constitutional and human rights. We watched with horror as our president, Barack Obama, stood side by side with the Prime Minister of Ethiopia in Addis Ababa on July 27, 2015, and declared that the May 2015 election was democratic. In that election, the ruling party claimed to have won 100% of the parliamentary seats. The fact of the matter is that the Ethiopian people knew that it was a sham election and the outcome was predetermined. Finally, we call upon the great Oromo people to continue their just struggle to regain their freedom and human dignity. We also express to them our unflinching support during this difficult time and remind them that freedom does not come free. They had no reason to be afraid because they have truth on their side. That's right. Thank you.